Your EzyCourse site has a built-in affiliate program, which means that other people can promote your products and services and give you the opportunity to reward them for doing so. Now, there's a couple of ways that you can set up an affiliate. The first way is a person doesn't need to be a member of your site at all. You can add them as an affiliate. So let's say it's somebody within another business that wants to promote your products and services. You can give them a unique link that they can use to promote your products and services to their customers. Now, the way you add them on the EzyCourse site, you go into Deals and Sales and click on Affiliate Users, and you click on Add New Affiliate. Here you enter their first name, last name, email address and password, and you choose the commission value that they're going to get. That can be either as a percentage or it can be a fixed price, and you input here how much they're going to get as a percentage or a fixed price. Now, once you've done that, you have a unique referral link to give to that person, and anytime a visitor clicks on that link, you are able to track it back to that affiliate and you can reward them accordingly. Now, you can also add an affiliate to a student. So if we were to go into our users and go into students, the menu next to each student, I can click on this person's actually already on the affiliate program. Let's go to the next one, add them as an affiliate. And again, I choose whether it's a percentage or fixed price I get and how much that commission is. Now, when it comes to paying my affiliates, I can go into Deals and Sales and go into Affiliate Transactions, and this will list all the transactions and which affiliate they've come from so that I can calculate how much I need to pay them. There is an add-on available from EzyCourse that allows to bring in a bit more automation into that process, where you can connect up your Stripe account and click a button to pay your affiliates through Stripe. So let's have a look at how this looks from a user perspective. I'm already logged in as a user on this site, and if I go into my dashboard, I am also an affiliate member. So I can go into the affiliate dashboard, and here is the link that I can share with people. I can also connect my bank account so that I can receive payments, and that is the add-on that's available from EzyCourse to connect your Stripe account. You can also see as an affiliate statistics, so how many people have clicked, how many sign-ups that's generated, and how much you've earned. So affiliates are a great way of boosting your sales on your EzyCourse platform, and it's all ready to go for you to set up today.